Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Review and Demo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pressure cooking with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. This powerhouse appliance boasts a whopping 7 functions, promising to simplify your kitchen routine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. First impressions. Right off the bat, I'm impressed by the Instant Pot's sleek stainless steel design. It feels sturdy and well-built, and the clear lid allows you to monitor your food without losing pressure. The control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for pressure cooker newbies. The 7 functions in action. Now, let's put this baby to the test. I'll be demonstrating 4 of its most popular functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, and sautéing. Pressure cooking, I'll be whipping up a delicious and healthy chicken chili. This function is a lifesaver for weeknight dinners, and the Instant Pot cooks it to perfection in just 20 minutes. Slow cooking, for those lazy Sundays, I'll be using the slow cook function to prepare a melt-in-your-mouth pulled pork. The meat becomes so tender and flavorful, you won't believe it. Rice cooking, who needs a separate rice cooker? The Instant Pot cooks fluffy and perfectly cooked rice every time, no matter the variety. Sautéing, this function allows you to quickly brown your meat and vegetables before pressure cooking or slow cooking. It's a great way to add extra flavor to your dishes. Other features. The Instant Pot Duo also includes several bonus features, such as a yogurt maker, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer. This versatility makes it a truly all-in-one kitchen appliance. App integration. The Instant Pot comes with a handy app that offers over 800 recipes, cooking tips, and more. You can even use the app to remotely control your Instant Pot and monitor the cooking progress. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. It's a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly appliance that has become a staple in my kitchen. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine and create delicious meals in a fraction of the time, I highly recommend checking out the Instant Pot Duo. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 and purchase your own.